Suara Gracia FM, the sound of life. God is the light of life. Shalom, good evening keluarga Gracia. Meet me again with Audrey in English Time program on Monday, 27th of October 2025. Okay, how are you keluarga Gracia? This is already the last week of this month. Wow, so next week we will go to the next month, which is the 11th month of this year. But today, of course, we have a new trending topic for sure. But before that, let's say hi to Miss Twita. Hi, Miss Twita, how are you?
Hi, Miss Audrey. I'm healthy today.
Yay! So, how are you doing? Maybe you just get healthier now?
Yeah.
Today?
Get healthier. Healthier. And
Okay.
especially if you listen to my voice, it is getting better.
Yeah.
Because I finally got the best doctor for that.
Okay. Thank God for
Yeah,
that.
I really thank God for that. And I hope that my voice will be like this all the time.
Yeah.
No more the...
Because you need your voice.
Yeah. Okay. Well, talking about the weekend, Miss
Yes.
Audrey, actually the whole week I was very busy.
Wow. Okay.
The first days of the week I was busy traveling actually.
Okay.
It was like Napaktilas actually. Napaktilas to the place where we ever lived there in Surabaya.
Yeah.
Not lived actually, but worked. But we went there for so many times during 4.5 years, back and forth, Cirebon, Surabaya, etc. So I was with my other 6 friends, all ladies, from the same company. And then so we traveled from. Actually, it was a culinary traveling.
Nice.
From eating to eating, and I think I gained 2 kilos.
Wow.
2
Okay.
to 3 kilos.
Wow.
Oh my God. So we ate all the time. So if it is 3 meals for a day, we had 5 meals.
Okay.
So there is, of course, there is brunch, and also there is not supper, but between lunch and dinner. We also have a snack time.
Okay.
And the snack time is chewy mie, makan mie.
Okay. That's not really snack actually.
Yeah, it's not snack time. It's carbo time. But we really had wonderful time because we went to visit some places where we could take beautiful pictures. So many pictures that I didn't know which one should I upload.
Wow.
So I just uploaded just for one post, and then that's all. Okay, udahlah, banyak banget, saking banyaknya ya. So I just chose which one is suitable for my friends to see the pictures. Okay, and then on the last day that it was on Wednesday, I was very, very sick at that time, Miss Audrey. So I didn't speak at all at that time.
Wow.
So I was just wearing my jacket and then stayed in the car.
Okay.
When it was time for lunch, I went out to the restaurant and then went in again to the car. And when the time they went to the market, they bought the caviar, I guess. Telur ikan caviar kan?
Okay, yeah.
But that is a local fish.
Okay.
Ikan wader, ikan apa, I don't know, etc. Also for the eggs of the carbs, kepitingnya.
Yeah.
I didn't buy because I didn't join them to buy. I just stayed in the car because I was very, very sick. And then we came back to Cirebon around 10 o'clock at night, and then that's all. It was time for me to rest. And then on Thursday, it was the whole day. I was very, very busy. The first thing, I was here in this radio.
Okay.
In the studio, explaining things about this radio to 50 students. They were divided into 4 groups from other school. They came here for an outing.
Okay.
To learn something. If
Okay, Keluarga Gracia back again with us in English Time program. Okay, after we talk about our weekend, now we will talk about the trending. Okay, please, Miss Wita.
Well, this is not a real trending topic, Miss Audrey, but it is really happening.
Okay.
Because when I opened the Google, so they showed me this article. It means that it is something quite new. Maybe you also, Keluarga Gracia, you also need to know. And apalagi ini karena akhir-akhir tanggal-tanggal akhir bulan. Biasanya ini di akhir bulan ini yang keluar nih adalah yang instan-instan ini. Di meja makan itu ya. Oke, apalagi mungkin untuk yang kos ya, anak-anak kos nih biasanya ini kesukaan.
Ngirit-ngirit nih sekalian.
Okay, the title tonight is Healthy but Still Tasty. Smart instant noodle hacks for busy moms.
Yes.
Not only busy moms, busy students
busy
also.
students ya.
Jadi kita mau ngomongin mie instan ceritanya. Hacksnya seperti
tapi hacksnya,
apa?
ya.
Supaya kita tetap sehat ya.
Betul.
Karena di luar sana kan konotasinya mie instan itu nggak enak, bukan nggak enak, tidak sehat ya.
Tidak sehat.
Tapi mari kita bikin itu menjadi sehat. Okay, so welcome back to Mom Talk, the show where we laugh, share, and survive motherhood. Yay. One meal at a time.
Okay, and tonight we're talking about the food that has saved moms everywhere. From last-minute hunger, tight budgets, or just pure craving. Yes, instant noodles.
Yes, that little packet of happiness. You know, Miss Audrey, I think instant noodles deserve a National Hero Award.
Yeah, totally. They've been there through heartbreak, homework, and paydays that still feel far away.
Yeah.
But today we're giving them a makeover.
Wow, makeover. Okay, right. Because as comforting as they are, they can be, let's say, a bit too salty for our health.
Yeah.
But don't worry, we've got 5 super easy ways to make them healthier and still taste amazing.
Yeah. And we will tell you what our kids thought when we tried this at home. Spoiler alert, there was drama.
Okay, so let's start with number 1. That is reduce the sodium, not the flavor.
Okay.
I know it sounds boring, right? But honestly, it is simple. Just use half of the seasoning packet.
Exactly. People think the taste comes only from the magic sachet, but the truth is you can rebuild the flavor using real ingredients like garlic, onion, soy sauce, chili oil, or lime.
Yes. I once added grated ginger too, and it gave that warm kick, especially during rainy days.
Oh, perfect for Cirebon weather lately. You know what happened when I did this at home? My son said, "Mom, it tastes like restaurant noodles." And I was like, "Restaurant, sweetheart? That's just mommy saving your kidneys."
See, it's all about tricking their taste buds. I swear, the sesame oil trick is my secret weapon. One drop and everyone thinks it's chef level.
Yeah, now let's talk veggies. Tip number 2. Add vegetables for color and balance. Don't skip the greens. Instant noodles and vegetables can be best friends.
Agreed. I like to add spinach, pak choy, corn, or even shredded carrots. Sometimes I just open the fridge, see what is about to expire, and throw it in.
Yes, and the colors make it look fancy. My daughter saw her bowl once and said, "Mom, it looks like a Korean mukbang." I said, "Exactly, dear. Minus the sodium overload."
Yeah. So kids love it when food looks fun. You can even use broccoli florets or cherry tomatoes to make it bright. And moms, pro tip, if your kid hates veggies, chop them fine. Chop them very fine.
Yeah.
Tipis-tipis.
Yeah.
Kecil-kecil. Hide them in the broth. masukkan ke dalam kaldu ya, they will never notice.
Yeah, that's sneaky. I once blended spinach into the soup base. My son said, "Why is my noodle green?" I said, "Because it's superhero noodles." And guess what? He ate the whole bowl.
Wow. Okay, so tip number 3. Add protein to make it complete. Because let's be honest, noodles alone just don't keep you full.
Totally. I love cracking an egg in, soft-boiled if I'm fancy, or scrambled if I'm in a rush.
I sometimes add boiled chicken, tofu cubes, or tempeh slices. Gives a local touch and keeps it balanced.
Yeah, I've even tried putting leftover grilled fish once.
Wow.
Yeah, my daughter said, "Mom, this is weird but yummy." So I'll take that as a win.
Same. One time I added meatballs and my son called it me party. So now every weekend he asks, "Mom, can we have me party again?" I said, "As long as you eat the veggies too."
It's a good way to make the meal feel special and less guilty, of course. Tip number 4. This one surprised me. Cook the noodles separately. We should boil the noodles separately from the broth.
Oh yes, that is something a nutritionist friend told me.
Yeah.
When you boil them together with the seasoning, the noodles absorb all the sodium and oil.
So instead, cook the noodles first, drain the water, and then make your broth fresh.
Yeah.
I use garlic, ginger, and spring onion. It smells so good that my kids always come to the kitchen asking, "Is that ramen?"
Same. One time my husband said, "Wow, smells like restaurant's ramen." I said, "No, it's just instant done right." You can even drizzle some sesame oil at the end to make it richer.
Yeah, it's cleaner, lighter, and you don't feel that heavy, salty aftertaste.
And the last one, tip number 5, add natural flavor boosters.
Oh, this is my favorite part. You can play with lime juice, chili flakes, fried shallots, coriander, or seaweed.
Yes, or if you like a richer flavor, add a bit of peanut butter to make spicy Thai-style noodles. It is creamy, savory, and my daughter said, "Mom, this tastes like cafe noodles."
I love that. And the best part, you can make it fun for kids. I let mine sprinkle their own toppings. Corn, nori, or even grated cheese. They feel like chefs.
That's so cute. It's like a build your own noodle bar, family edition.
You know, Miss Dwita, it's funny how small tweaks can make such a big difference. We are not removing the joy, we're just cooking smarter.
Exactly. Instant noodles can still be our comfort food as long as we balance it. Half the seasoning, a handful of veggies, a bit of protein, boom, healthy-ish happiness.
Yeah, and it's actually a fun way to teach kids about balanced eating. When they help prepare, they appreciate more food.
Yes, my little one now says, "Mom, let's make the healthy noodles again." And I'm like, finally, a parenting wins.
Same. So, moms listening out there, don't feel guilty about serving noodles. Just add your love and a few of these tricks and you are golden.
Remember, moms, healthy doesn't have to be hard and tasty doesn't have to be guilty.
Stay happy, stay full, and keep stirring love into your noodles.
Wow. Seru ya.
Iya.
So there are 5 ways, hacks for the busy moms to cook the instant noodles.
Yeah, and you know, Miss, when my son was a little one, he really wanted to eat noodle, so I gave him without the flavor.
Oh,
yes, and he ate that. I think until he was in 2nd grade.
Very bland, you mean?
Yes.
Tawar?
Yes.
Wow.
And he liked it.
I mean, he didn't know the exact taste actually.
Yeah, no.
And when he found out,
and then, "Wow, mommy, it's better."
So how many years that you?
7 or 8 years, 7. Yeah, but he still enjoyed the noodle.
Okay. That's another trick too.
Yes.
So for the first kick
Yes.
of giving the instant noodle, it should be with the bland one.
Bland one.
Without taste.
Without taste. But I let him to eat another noodle, another kind of noodle. It's like mie ayam, yamian, it's okay. But for that instant noodle, I gave him bland.
Wow. I cannot imagine that.
Sampai ada temen yang bilang, memang itu tega banget ya. For me, as long as I can keep him from that kind of taste, the sodium thing, just I will do it.
Yeah. That's right. Wow. Okay, keluarga Gracia.
Yeah.
So these are all the hacks that you can follow.
Yeah.
Reduce sodium, add vegetables, add protein, and then cook the noodles separately, and then add natural flavor.
Yeah.
Kasih bawang goreng, ya.
Betul.
Kasih apa lagi? Perasan air. Jeruk ya,
nipis ya.
Terus chili, ya, potongan-potongan sambal cabai atau seaweed gitu.
Yeah. It's just mom's trick actually.
Yeah. Actually seaweed is okay ya.
Yeah.
Okay. Bisa blending ya. Jadi rasanya kayak ramen.
Kayak ramen. Okay, keluarga Gracia. So it's all about the trending, which is about smart instant noodle hacks. But before we continue, let's hear some songs and we'll be right back. Okay, keluarga Gracia, back again with us in English Time program. After we talk about our weekend and also about the instant noodle hacks, now we will talk about daily conversation. What's the answer or how to answer? Okay, please, Miss Vita.
Okay, so in session 3 we are going to learn about collective nouns for animals and insects.
Okay.
So I have 9 collective nouns here. In bahasa Indonesia kita hanya mengenal sekelompok. Ya, sekelompok apa? Sekelompok burung, sekelompok sapi, sekelompok ikan. But in English there are different noun for each animals and insects. Okay, so number 1. You can guess ya, a flock of birds. It means sekelompok burung, a flock, F-L-O-C-K, a flock of birds. Number 2, Miss Audrey.
Okay, a herd of cows. Okay,
a herd.
Sekelompok sapi.
Herd, H-E-R-D. And then a school of fish. That's why fish is very clever because they are always in school.
They are in school.
Mereka selalu ada di sekolah ya. Satu sekolah ikan. A school of fish. Lucu ya?
Okay. Number 4, a pride of lions. Wow. So that's why lions were very
elegant ya. So that's why pride. Gitu
pride,
A pack of wolves. Wolves tuh serigala. Ya. Sekumpulan serigala. A pack of dogs also. P-A-C-K.
Okay, number 6, a swarm of bees. Okay, ini sekelompok lebah ya.
Swarm ya. And then a gaggle of geese. You know geese itu angsa. Angsa ya. Dari goose, G-O-O-S-E. Kalau jamaknya jadi G-E-E-S-E. And then sekelompok of it, angsa itu ada a gaggle. Bukan Google ya, gaggle. G-A-G-G-L-E.
Okay. Number 8, a troop of monkeys. Okay, ini sekelompok monyet ya.
Padahal troop itu tuh seperti iring-iringan mobil militer ya, troop gitu ya. Kemudian yang terakhir a colony of ants. sekumpulan
semut.
Satu apa tuh ya, kerajaan ya, satu kerajaan semut gitu. And you have to pay attention bahwa semua binatang yang dan inseknya itu harus jamak ya. Birds, cows, lions, wolves, bees, geese, monkeys, ants. Kecuali fish ya, fish nggak ada fishes. Dia nggak ada jamaknya ya. Oke.
Karena ini kita belajar tentang sekelompok ya Miss ya.
Walaupun depannya pakai tapi kata bendanya harus pakai S. A flock of birds. E-nya itu menunjukkan ke kelompoknya, flocknya.
Satu kelompoknya itu.
Bukan birds-nya. Okay, so be careful also ya.
Okay, keluarga Gracia. It's all about tonight. Before we leave, never stop learning. There is always one more thing to learn. Thank you for joining us. See you next week. God bless you all. Bye.
Bye-bye.